Hey Mountaineers, my name is Katilyn Hepler and I'm a Presidential Student Ambassador here at WVU. It can be difficult to find a quiet, distraction-free environment for doing homework or taking online exams. Or maybe you're looking for somewhere to meet with a study group or a tutor. WVU libraries offer private rooms that are available for these uses. But how do you know which type of room is ideal for your needs, and how do you go about reserving one? The downtown and Evansdale libraries offer 3 types of rooms available for reservation on the LibCal online tool. The types of library rooms offered are standard study rooms, classrooms, and presentation practice rooms. Firstly, study rooms are best for individuals or small groups. They typically seat 4 to 8 people and are equipped with whiteboards, wall monitors, and wireless keyboards and mice. Secondly, classrooms are best for larger groups, demonstrations, and training sessions. They are equipped with podiums, whiteboards, and projectors. Lastly, presentation practice rooms are great for when you would like to rehearse or record a presentation. They are equipped with podiums, projectors, and one-button studio. You can also rent whiteboard markers and cable adapters for any room from the library's front desk. However, there are limitations on how many times you can reserve a room. Rooms can only be reserved for up to 3 hours at a time. Also, you could only make up to 3 reservations in any 7-day period. Reservations can only be made up to 2 weeks in advance. If you run out of time slots for the week, you could still use rooms on a first-come, first-served basis, but reservations take precedence. Next, I will walk through the process of reserving a room on LibCal. Visit the library's website at library.wvu.edu. Click on the Study Rooms button in the top right corner. Here you can see what rooms are available in 30-minute blocks. Green means it's available and red means it's already booked. You can sort by date, library location, category, and capacity depending on your needs. You can also click on rooms to view a picture of the space and see what technology it has available for use. Let's say I'm recording a presentation and would like to reserve the presentation practice room in the Evansdale Library on Monday from 9 to 11 a.m. I would first change the location to Evansdale. Then I'd find the presentation practice room. I would then go to my desired date, click on the 9 o'clock to 9:30 time slot, and use the drop-down menu to select 11 o'clock. I would then submit my times, write the name of my group, and submit my booking. I should then receive an email saying that my reservation is confirmed. Bookings can be canceled through this email if you no longer need the room. Library rooms are great resources available to students. Be sure to take advantage of them. Good luck in your studies, Mountaineers.